Protect your engine from moisture damage with this top-rated fuel system solution. The best automobile gas tank dryer removes water from your fuel tank, preventing rust, corrosion, and poor engine performance even in extreme weather conditions. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. Adams Polish's Automobile Gas Tank Dryer. Adams Polish's Automobile Gas Tank Dryer, also known as the Air Cannon Car Dryer, stands out as a premium, touch-free drying solution for auto enthusiasts who want maximum protection and efficiency. Designed to eliminate the need for towels or chamois, this machine uses warm, filtered air to dry vehicles safely without causing swirl marks or scratches on delicate paintwork and chrome finishes. It delivers a powerful air stream, up to 73,000 feet per minute with 392 CFM, making it one of the strongest blowers on the market. The air output is fully adjustable, so users can control the pressure and speed depending on the task. What makes this dryer especially convenient is its 30-foot expandable and retractable hose, which is rubberized to avoid scuffs and ensures you can reach every corner of your car with ease. Storage is also a breeze thanks to this compact hose design. Built with noise reduction technology, the unit operates at a moderate 88 dB, making it quieter than many other high-performance air dryers. It includes rubberized nozzle tips, a 15-foot power cord, and various fan and pointed tip attachments to tailor the drying experience. This model is ideal not only for drying exterior surfaces, but also for clearing moisture out of gas tank caps, mirror seams, and crevices that traditional towels can't reach. The build quality is solid, and it feels like a professional-grade tool that could easily be used by car detailers and at-home garage enthusiasts alike. Number 2. SHELANDY Automobile Gas Tank Dryer. The SHELANDY Automobile Gas Tank Dryer is a simple yet powerful tool designed to dry motorbikes and automobiles quickly, efficiently, and without any surface damage. This compact dryer packs a punch with its 2,800-watt motor operating at 110 volts and comes with a flexible 14-foot hose for easy maneuverability around your vehicle. One of its main selling points is how effectively it prevents scratching and smearing, a common issue when using towels or cloths for drying. Whether you're drying your fuel tank area, engine parts, or wheels, the SHELANDY dryer uses warm air to remove water while being gentle on your paint and finishes. The airflow is variable, offering different speed and temperature settings, which gives you full control depending on the job at hand, ideal for both summer and winter use. This unit shines in its versatility, as it doubles as a dusting and detailing tool, allowing you to remove dirt from hard-to-reach areas like engine bays, mirror housings, or around fuel filler doors. With a simple and intuitive design, even beginners can get up and running in no time. It's also backed by a 1-year warranty, providing added peace of mind. While not as sophisticated as some of the more expensive options, the SHELANDY dryer still delivers solid performance for the price. It's especially attractive for motorcycle owners and casual car detailers who want an affordable yet capable product. Number 3. Oley 220 miles per hour Automobile Gas Tank Dryer. The Oley 220 miles per hour Automobile Gas Tank Dryer is a compact yet high-powered tool that brings commercial-grade performance into a handheld, cordless format. Designed with versatility in mind, this dryer is built for more than just cars. It features a 750W motor and a 64mm turbofan duct that generates a forceful 3.5 lb of thrust, enough to clear moisture, blow away snow, and even remove pet fur. The built-in 4,000 mAh battery offers up to 80 minutes of continuous use, depending on the power setting selected. With 4 adjustable speed levels, you can control the airflow for everything from gently drying a mirror seam or gas cap to blasting away heavy debris. One of the standout features is its LED display screen, which keeps track of battery life, voltage, and current, giving users total operational awareness. The cordless design makes it incredibly convenient to move around your vehicle without worrying about tangled cords. At just 1.8 pounds, it's also one of the lightest units in this category. It's perfect for mobile detailers or anyone without a dedicated garage space. The Oley dryer includes a useful safety feature, an auto shutoff in turbo mode to protect the motor from overheating. This is especially useful when operating at higher levels for prolonged periods. Additionally, the unit comes with a charger, detailed instructions, and a 12-month warranty with responsive customer service, which ensures peace of mind for the buyer. Number 4. SPTA Automobile Gas Tank Dryer. The SPTA Automobile Gas Tank Dryer offers an affordable and practical solution for drying vehicles safely and efficiently without risking damage to your paint or chrome finishes. Designed to move freely around your car, this compact dryer is easy to store and lightweight, making it especially useful for home users or anyone tight on garage space. The optimized air duct design increases wind power, helping you dry your vehicle faster and more effectively. It's particularly suited for use after car washes, where it helps reduce drying time while eliminating the risk of scratching surfaces. Using filtered warm air, this dryer safely removes water, soap suds, and any remaining surface debris. It's ideal for drying delicate and hard-to-reach areas like wheel wells, seams, headlight edges, and fuel filler necks. One of the most useful features is the noise-reducing technology, which ensures quieter operation, so you don't have to disturb your neighbors or deal with annoying sound during longer sessions. Although not packed with flashy extras, the SPTA dryer is focused on getting the basics right. It works well not only on the vehicle's exterior, but also for interior drying jobs such as clearing water from car carpeting or drying out crevices inside the trunk or engine bay. Number 5. Oley Automobile Gas Tank Dryer. The second Oley Automobile Gas Tank Dryer on our list improves upon its sibling model with a few thoughtful upgrades for enhanced usability and functionality. With a turbo air speed of 220 miles per hour and 3.1 lb thrust, this dryer features a 750W motor and a 64mm turbofan duct that delivers exceptional air blasting power. It's perfect for clearing moisture from sensitive areas like gas filler necks, mirrors, and seams, and it can also blow away leaves, dust, and debris quickly and efficiently. What makes this model stand out is its infinitely variable speed control via a smooth knob, allowing you to adjust airflow from 100G to 1000G of thrust instantly. The added COB professional-grade lighting allows you to spot hard-to-see dust or water droplets in dim conditions, which is especially handy for those who detail their cars at night or in low-light garages. Weighing just 820 grams, it's incredibly lightweight and cordless, offering excellent maneuverability for both indoor and outdoor use. The built-in 4,000 mAh lithium battery supports up to 80 minutes of operation and includes an energy indicator light system. Green means charged, purple signals low power, and blue-purple indicates turbo mode. The interface is intuitive, with clearly marked buttons and a simple long press to activate maximum airflow. The dryer comes with a convenient charging adapter and safety guidance to avoid hazards such as foreign object suction. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.